So I'm going to tell you today about the absolute essential of when you find a successful action, repeating that action and not changing anything. A lot of your life is about changing from doing dangerous actions, changing from doing things that put you into an emergency, changing from things that do not make progress. But understand that once you enter the promised land, the trick becomes not coming out of it. The trick becomes doing the same thing. The trick becomes going home, sleeping, coming to work, going home, sleeping, coming to work. Whatever that, the trick then becomes being able to withstand that it is boring. Do not invent something new when you've invented the world's best invention. Stick with that. Do not then do not change it. One weakness that we have, I guess, as people is because so often we need to change, because so often we're doing the wrong thing. We get the right thing and we still stick to the habit of continuously changing. One needs to resist this. And when they do get to the actions that make power, have a list of whatever that action is, because definitely something. There's a million ways to do something wrong. There's one way to do it right. When you find it, you sort of write it down, meaning it is out of your head. It has nothing to do with your feeling, nothing to do with your day, nothing that you can forget. You put it onto a separate, either piece of paper or website. I have on several websites my successful actions, and then you repeat as boring as possible. Drink water, repeat. Eat clean, repeat. No girls, repeat. Nothing weird, repeat. And that is the maintenance of power, repetition. Generational wealth is someone's habits passed down again and again and repeated. An understanding of this is the difference between someone who ruins their family's wealth and someone who can maintain it. Doing the same things that got you to power.